two-door actually. I have a cage set up in there. I have a POT system set up in there, so I can just pull straight from the keg. It's all 45 degrees.
Good.
And I got that thing. I had $150.
I have some. You're staying in a certain spot.
I have some amps that make their own homemade wine.
We're gonna be hitting each other with injected rail on the ground.
I
want to stand back. I got long arms.
We all need to
I'm
be
about
on
to
the
drop
same
30 on
line.
you, dude.
That way our ears don't.
Move up, move up.
I have like 7.
You got more people than what you think. Move up.
Hey, whoa. Hey, Earl, will you get him set up with a 357?
Yeah, I need a gun.
He's,
I don't want to get hit with anything.
just,
Hey, you got a revolver, get on
Fine.
the
As
end.
long as you're on the left, you're fine. Everything ejects to the right.
I
Yeah.
know, but
You're
it's
eye
so
candy.
No, come over here.
Hey, you're eye candy and you're a woman. Get close to the camera.
Aim over here somewhere so it shoots behind me, please.
We're gonna get here. I don't want to be right in front of
in the overalls near each other, like maybe 1, 2, 3.
Hey Tim, you want this? Cause I don't want a round in my head. I mean, an ejection in my head.
I'm gonna get the.
Oh.
He's getting the 357.
Oh, damn it! Wait a minute. That's gonna be my. Give me some fucking headphones. I don't give a shit what they are. Headphones,
Turn my headphones up.
whatever.
Turn my headphones up. I can't hear that shit, nigga. Turn my shit up.
Turn it up.
Where the green one at? Kristen
she has
remember that shit on Dave
All
Chappelle?
right, damn it. I'm fucking away.
Turn it up. I'll get over here by hers.
Good, good, yeah.
I
Hold
want
on.
to get hit with your shit.
Let's all get situated.
Is that going to hit me?
I gotta make sure I'm not
It's
forgetting.
not gonna,
It's a 6
Hey, are we all gonna aim for the bones? That way there's bone splinters flying everywhere?
Yeah.
Do it. Okay.
yeah, don't hit the tree.
All right.
Chief!
3, 2, 1.
That was awesome.
I was waiting on a tree to fall.
The rounds that went down my overalls are warm. Seriously, there's like 3 of them. Oh shit. Who's next to that? I think it was Earl.